not in chanting slogans, but in nurturing the soul of the nation with love and service. Mahatma Gandhi. Today, we gather in profound reverence, our hearts imbued with gratitude as we reflect upon the glorious saga of India's relentless quest for freedom. The sacred day beckons us to pause and pay homage to the impregnable patriots whose unparalleled courage and supreme sacrifices ushered in the dawn of liberty. Their immortal spirit continues to burn as an undying beacon, illuminating our nation's enduring quest towards progress, unity, and self-determination. May the solemn remembrance rekindle within and inspire us to preserve the ideal of freedom and contribute meaningfully to the glorious destiny of our beloved motherland.
A very good morning to one and all gathered here. We extend a warm and hearty greeting to our respected Principal Ma'am, Srimati Moushumi Mohapatra, our illustrious chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Soap, commissioned into 94 Field Regiment of the Regiment of Artillery and has served the nation with distinction for over 2 decades. In recognition of his meritorious service, he has been awarded the UNIFIL Unified Force Commander's Commendation in Lebanon and the GOC in C Central Command Commendation Card. We extend a warm welcome to our respected President of Krishnadayal Education and Research Society and Chairman of our school, Shri Alok Tibrewal ji, and respected Srimati Usha Tibrewal ma'am. A hearty welcome is extended to our distinguished dignitaries and our esteemed parents. The 15th of August is far more than a date etched upon the calendar of our nation. It is a hallowed milestone in the glorious saga of India's destiny. It is a sacred occasion that summons every citizen to renew the sacrosanct pledge of unswerving devotion to the motherland and to reaffirm our collective resolve to elevate our nation to ever loftier pinnacles of excellence, honor, and prosperity, befitting the grandeur of our ancient civilization and the splendor of our enduring spirit. This grand day rekindles the memory of countless valiant countrymen whose unconquerable courage, unyielding perseverance, and supreme sacrifices dispelled the darkness of subjugation and heralded the radiant dawn of freedom. With profound gratitude and deepest reverence, we bow before their immortal legacy, a legacy that continues to inspire generations to uphold the ideals of liberty, unity, and patriotism.
Independence Day inspires us to embrace the present with purpose and shape the future with vision. As we cherish the rich cultural heritage of our nation, let us also revel in the heavenly pride of being Indians, bound together by a shared heritage, a common destiny, and an undying love for our motherland. As we embark upon the auspicious celebration of the 80th Independence Day, let the stirring cadence of the drumbeats awaken within us an invincible spirit of national pride. The resolute and dauntless members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides will now march forth with impeccable discipline and immutable dignity, eloquently manifesting their inviolable devotion with steadfast allegiance to the nation.
School! Attention! School! Stand at ease! School! Attention! School! By the left! Mark time! Mark! School! By the left!
Now, it is time for the most awaited, awe-inspiring moment of this August celebration, the ceremonial hoisting of our national flag. May I now invite Principal Ma'am, our Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zope, respected Chairman Sir Shri Alok Tibrewal, respected Usha Tibrewal Ma'am, to hoist the national flag, the eternal emblem of our nation's pride. We also request all our esteemed dignitaries to kindly join. Ma'am and Sir, please.
School! Salute!
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. With this, let us renew our pledge to uphold our nation's integrity, honor, and diversity.
School council members, by the left, mark time, mark! School Scouts and Guides, attention! Scouts and Guides, by the left, march time, march! Scouts and Guides, attention!
Up next, the contingents of the Bharat Scouts and Guides will display their coordinated teamwork with immaculate discipline and exemplary camaraderie. That was a beautiful performance, truly knitting the spirit of unity and patriotism.
We now humbly request Principal Ma'am, our distinguished chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zop, respected Chairman Sir Shri Alok Tibrewal, revered Srimati Usha Tibrewal Ma'am, and the esteemed dignitaries to please proceed to the Games Arena for the commencement of the next segment of today's celebrations. Parents are requested to be kindly seated in the Games Arena.
Independence Day is a resplendent landmark in the chronicles of our nation's glorious odyssey. It is a hallowed occasion when the entire citizenry unites in reverent homage to the courageous souls whose unparalleled sacrifices secured our liberty while cherishing with profound gratitude the priceless inheritance we are privileged to claim as our birthright, the sacred gift of freedom.
It is the national cohesion in India that stands as the bedrock of our collective strength, binding us together in an abiding spirit of unity. On this auspicious occasion, we pay tribute to the glorious cultural legacy that lends our nation its unparalleled distinction and timeless charm. Let us steadfastly uphold the noble ideals of unity, harmony, tolerance, and mutual respect, those immortal pillars upon which the majestic edifice of our democracy continues to flourish.
Darkness cannot dispel out darkness. Only light can do that. Martin Luther King Jr. Let the bright internal flame of conviction forever illuminate our path, inspiring us to advance with unassailable resolve and unflinching devotion to the nation. May we now request Principal Ma'am, our distinguished chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zop, respected Chairman Sir Shri Alok Tibrewal, and the other esteemed dignitaries to kindly light the ceremonial lamp. The lighting of the lamp will be accompanied by the school choir's rendition of Anondo Loke, Mongola Loke. Ma'am and sir, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य हिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती। ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। यहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक एक बाला, और राधा एक एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना फेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। इंसान का इंसान से हो भाईचारा, यही पैगाम हमारा, यही पैगाम हमारा। ভারতবর্ষ স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লোভিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। ভারত আমার ভারতবর্ষ স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লোভিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। কিরীটধারিণী তুষার শৃঙ্গে সবুজে সাজানো তোমার দেশ, তোমার উপমা তুমি তোমা, তোমার উপমা তুমি তোমা, তোমার রূপে নাহি তো শেষ। শোন গহন তমসা সহসা আসে যদি নেমে আকাশে তোর, হাতে হাত রেখে মিলি একসাথে আমরা আনিব নতুন ভোর। ভারত আমার ভারতবর্ষ স্বদেশ আমার স্বপ্ন গো, তোমাতে আমরা লোভিয়া জনম, ধন্য হয়েছি ধন্য গো। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। कर दुख उपकार करे तोरे, मन अभिमान ना माने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। सकल लोक सहुने वंदे, निंदा न करेंगे नीरे। काज काज मन निश्चल राखे, धन धन जननी के नीरे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। समदृश कृष्णा त्यागी, हरसी सेने मान रे। जीवात्मा की असत्य ना बोले, कर धन न बचले भात रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे, पीड़ पराई जाने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जे।
What a truly captivating and soul-stirring performance that was. May we now request Principal Ma'am to grace the dais and address the August gathering. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to everyone present here. At the onset, I extend a warm and pleasant greeting to all of you on this August day. It gives me immense pride to welcome you on this epochal occasion of the 80th Independence Day. We bow down our heads in veneration today as we are able to breathe freely because of countless supreme sacrifices. Today, we have amongst us our distinguished chief guest of the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zope, commissioned into 94 Field Regiment of the Regiment of Artillery. Sir has served the nation with distinction for over 2 decades. His operational experience spans diverse and challenging terrains, from the deserts of Rajasthan to the rugged northern borders and active counter-insurgency areas of Jammu and Kashmir. Throughout his distinguished career, he has held several key command, staff, and instructional appointments. Sir was at the helm of affairs as GSO-1 of a brigade during Operation Snow Leopard, brilliant instructor at the Officers Training Academy, Chennai, the staff officer with a multinational brigade during a United Nations mission in Lebanon, and the commanding officer of the regiment deployed in Operation Meghdoot at the Siachen Glacier. Colonel Zope holds a bachelor's degree in computer science and a master's degree in weapons technology and an MBA in IT business management. In recognition of his meritorious service, Sir has been awarded the UNI FIL Force Commander's Commendation in Lebanon and the GOC in charge Central Command Commendation Card. Sir, it is an absolute honor to have you amongst us today. We feel privileged to have our chairman, Sir, Shri Alok Tibrewal, Mrs. Usha Tibrewal, and all esteemed dignitaries with us on this beautiful day. I extend a very, very warm welcome to our esteemed parents who are with us on this beautiful and momentous occasion. Independence Day is not just a red letter day in the calendar, it is a day in which the highest offering of the innumerable fearless fighters is venerated. As a part of the celebration of the 80th year of liberation, today we bow our heads to the countless souls who sacrificed themselves for the dignity of the motherland. Ruby Park Public School strives to raise the progeny befitting to the global arena where the preeminent values of nationalism and patriotism form the amalgamating fabric of their personality. On this revered day, let us commit to always heighten the glory of our motherland and vow to engage every act of ours in such a manner that we are able to play a significant part in the growth and development of our nation, where there is democracy, secularism, love, respect, and equality for one and all. Thank you all once again. Jai Hind!
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of inspiration.
I now request Principal Ma'am, Chairman Sir Shri Alok Tibrewal, and our esteemed dignitaries to kindly felicitate our chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zope. Ma'am and Sir, please. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Music and dance have long served as enduring expressions of a nation's spirit, preserving its triumphs, aspirations, and collective identity. The students of pre-primary will now present before you a powerful expression of unfaltering hope, unity, faith, and absolute belief to achieve success and peace. It promotes solidarity and community support.
हम होंगे कामयाब
That was a beautiful performance. Next up, we have, penned by the renowned maestro Dijendralal Ray, Dhonodhanno Pushpabhara breathes as a sacred anthem of the spirit. It paints a breathtaking tableau of a homeland adorned with opulent blossoms, golden grains, and the ethereal symphony of birdsong. Please lend your ears and hearts to our performers as they arise and perform.
ধনধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমাদের এই বসুন্ধরা, তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশের সকল দেশের সেরা, ও সে স্বপ্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সে দেশ স্মৃতি দিয়ে ঘেরা। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, ও সে সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি। চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা কোথায় উজ্জ্বল এমন ধারা, কোথায় এলো খেলে তড়ি এমন কালো মেঘে, তার পাখির ডাকে ঘুমিয়ে ওঠে পাখির ডাকে জেগে। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, ও সে সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি। পুষ্পে পুষ্পে ভরা সাক্ষী, কুঞ্জে কুঞ্জে গাহে পাখি, কুঞ্জরিয়া আসে অলি পুঞ্জে পুঞ্জে ধে, তারা ফুলের ওপর ঘুমিয়ে পড়ে ফুলের মধু খেয়ে। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, ও সে সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি। ভাইয়ের মায়ের এত স্নেহ কোথায় গেলে পাবে কেহ, উমা তোমার চরণ দুটি বক্ষে আমার ধরি, আমার এই দেশেতেই জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতেই মরি। এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি, ও সে সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি, সে যে আমার জন্মভূমি।
What a splendid performance!
Music possesses the singular magic to capture the soul of an era. Yet, few melodies transcend time, quite like the legendary melody, Choro Kal Ki Baatein, Kal Ki Baat Purani. This song is not merely a tone, it is a monumental philosophy set against the dawn of a nascent nation. Its verses remind us that the future belongs to those who dare to build anew. It inspires us to write a fresh chapter of triumph using the ink of unity and the parchment of unyielding hope and more harmonious tomorrow.
छोड़ो कल की बात नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी आज पुरानी जंजीरों को तोड़ चुके हैं क्या देखें उस मंजिल को जो छोड़ चुके हैं चांद के दर पे जा पहुंचा है आज जमाना नए जगत से हम भी नाता जोड़ चुके हैं नया खून है नई उमंगे अब है नई जवानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी छोड़ो कल की बातें कल की बात पुरानी नए दौर में लिखेंगे मिलकर नई कहानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हमको कितने ताजमहल हैं और बनाने कितने ही अजंता हमको और सजाने अभी पलटना है रुख कितने दरियाओं का कितने पर्वत राहों से हैं आज हटाने नया खून है नई उमंगे अब है नई जवानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी हम हिंदुस्तानी
What a spectacle that was! Through the sublime vocabulary of rhythm and expression, our dancers will evoke the image of Bharat Lokhi, the goddess of prosperity, wisdom, and beauty, as she rises from the shadows of history to reclaim her glorious throne. Watch as the stage transforms into a sacred canvas where every elegant gesture, striking posture, and swirling movement breathes life into a nation's collective hope and reverence.
উঠো গো ভারত লক্ষ্মী উঠো আজি জগত জনপূজা দুঃখ দৈন্য সবনাশী কর দূরিত ভারত লজ্জা ছাড়ো গো ছাড়ো শোক সজ্জা কর সজ্জা পুনঃকমল কনক ধন ধান্যে জননী গোলহ তুলে বক্ষে শান্তনবাস দেহ তুলে চোখে বিংশতি কোটি নরনারী গো। কাণ্ডারি নাহিক কমলা দুঃখ লাঞ্ছিত ভারতবর্ষে, শঙ্কিত মোরা সব যাত্রী কালো সাগর কম্পন দর্শে। তোমার অভয় পদ স্পর্শে নবহর্ষে চলিবে তারণী শুভ লক্ষ্যে। জননী গোলহ তুলে বক্ষে, শান্তনবাস দেহ তুলে চোখে, কাঁদিছে তব চরণ তলে ত্রিংশতি কোটি নরনারী গো। ভারত শ্মশান কর পূর্ণ, পুন কোকিল পূজিত কুঞ্জে, দেশ হিংসা করি চূর্ণ কর পূরিত প্রেময়লি গুঞ্জে, দূরিত করি পাপ কুঞ্জে তপতুঞ্জে, পুন বিমল কর ভারত পুণ্যে।
It was a pulchritudinous performance. We now invite your gaze to the grand stage where the timeless spirit of valor and liberty is about to unfold through the noble language of dance. We present to you a choreographic tribute set to the stirring echoes of Vijaya Vishwatiranga Pyara. Penned by the revered poet Shyamlal Gupta Prasad, this immortal anthem has, for generations, ignited the flames of patriotism within millions of hearts. Today, our terpsichoreans will translate those poetic fires into a vivid visual spectacle as they celebrate the soaring majesty of our sacred tricolor, a symbol of purity, peace, and unshakable courage.
विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा।
सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला,
प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। बलि बलि जाओ,
आओ प्यारे वीरों आओ,
धर्म पर बलि बलि जाओ, एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ, प्यारा भारत देश हमारा,
विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा.
That was a wonderful performance.
Now we invite your senses to partake in a grand artistic journey, a choreographic masterpiece that traverses the sacred spectrum of our nation's soul. Prepare to witness a spellbinding duality where divine grace meets revolutionary fire.
বলবীর বল উন্নত মম শির, শির নেহারি আমারি নত শির ওই শিখর হিমাদ্রির। বলবীর বল মহাবিশ্বের মহাকাশ ফাড়ি, চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা ছাড়ি, ভুলোক দুলোক গোলক ভেদিয়া, খোদার আসন আরশ ছেদিয়া, উঠিয়াছি চির বিস্ময় আমি বিশ্ববিধাত্রীর। মম ললাটে রুদ্র ভগবান চলে, রাজ রাজ টিকাদিত্য জয়শ্রীর। বলবীর আমি চির উন্নত শির, আমি চির দুর্দম দুর্বিনীত নৃশংস। মহাপ্রলয়ের আমি নটরাজ, আমি সাইক্লোন, আমি ধ্বংস। আমি মহাভয়, আমি অভিশাপ বৃদ্ধির, আমি দুর্বার, আমি ভেঙে করি সব চুরমার। আমি অনিয়ম উচ্ছৃঙ্খল, আমি দলে যাই যত বন্ধন, যত নিয়ম কানুন শৃঙ্খল। আমি মানি না কোনো আইন, আমি ভরাধরি করি ভরাডুবি, আমি টর্পেডো, আমি ভীম ভাসমান মাইন। আমি ধৈর্যটি, আমি এলোকেশে ঝড় অকাল বৈশাখীর। আমি বিদ্রোহী সুত বিশ্ববিধাত্রীর। বলবীর চির উন্নত মম শির।
মুক্তির মন্দির সোপান তলে কত প্রাণ হলো বলিদান, লেখা আছে অশ্রু জলে। মুক্তির মন্দির সোপান তলে কত প্রাণ হলো বলিদান, লেখা আছে অশ্রু জলে। কত বিপ্লবী বন্ধুর রক্তে রাঙা, বন্দিশালার ওই শিকল ভাঙা।
কত বিপ্লবী বন্ধুর রক্তে রাঙা, বন্দিশালার ওই শিকল ভাঙা।
তারা কি ফিরিবে আর, তারা কি ফিরিবে আর সুপ্রভাতে? কত তরুণ অরুণ গেছে আস্থা চলে। মুক্তির মন্দির সোপান তলে কত প্রাণ হলো বলিদান, লেখা আছে অশ্রু জলে। মুক্তির মন্দির সোপান তলে কত প্রাণ হলো বলিদান, লেখা আছে অশ্রু জলে। যারা সর্বগত তারা এখনো জানে, স্বর্গের চেয়ে প্রিয় জন্মভূমি, এসো স্বদেশ ব্রতে মহাবীর কালবী।
যারা সর্বগত তারা এখনো জানে, স্বর্গের চেয়ে প্রিয় জন্মভূমি, এসো স্বদেশ ব্রতে মহাবীর কালবী।
সেই মৃত্যুঞ্জয়ীদের চরণ চুমি,
যারা জীর্ণ জাতির মুখে জাগালো আশা, মৌন বলির মুখে জাগালো ভাষা। যারা জীর্ণ জাতির মুখে জাগালো আশা, মৌন বলির মুখে জাগালো ভাষা।
আজ রক্ত কমলে গাথা, আজ রক্ত কমলে গাথা মাল্যখানি, বিজয় আছে অশ্রু জলে মুক্তির মন্দির সোপান তলে কত প্রাণ হলো বলিদান লেখা আছে অশ্রু জলে
That was a magnificent performance.
Every celebration of our nation's glorious voyage is enriched by the reflections of those who have dedicated their lives to her service. It is now our proud privilege to invite our honorable chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zob, to address the gathering and share his invaluable thoughts with us. Sir, please.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. These famous words, that's okay, because it resonates otherwise. These famous words spoken on the dawn of India's independence captured the hopes of a nation that had struggled and sacrificed for generations to shape its own destiny. Today, as we celebrate India's 80th Independence Day, those words continue to resonate with us. They remind us not only of the freedom that was won, but also of the responsibility inherited by each and every generation to preserve that freedom, strengthen our nation, and carry India forward continuously. Respected Principal, Mrs. Moushami Mohapatra, distinguished members of the school management, Shri Alok Tibriwalji, Mrs. Srimati Usha Tibriwalji, and other distinguished members of the school management, faculty, parents, and most importantly, my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It's indeed a privilege for me to be here at Ruby Park Public School on this proud occasion. And I sincerely thank the school management and the principal for having me here join you today. As we watched our national flag rise this morning, I'm sure each and every one was filled with a deep sense of pride. The tricolor is far more than just a national symbol. It represents the courage of those who fought for the freedom, the unity of our people, the values of our republic, and the resolve to keep moving forward together. And someone who has had the privilege of donning the uniform, the national flag has always had a very deep and personal meaning for me. It reminds me of the countless men and women who serve far away from their homes in tough, difficult, inhospitable terrain. Of the rest, so that the rest of the nation may live and dream in peace. Please remember, freedom is never free. It was won through sacrifice, it is safeguarded through courage and vigilance, and it is given purpose through the conduct of responsible citizens. India's freedom was the result of courage and determination of countless men and women. Many endured hardship, imprisonment, and many other difficulties. Many also made the ultimate sacrifice. Some names have been immortalized in history, yet countless others are unknown. Yet each and every one of them contributed to the freedom of our country that we enjoy today. And here in Kolkata, the memory of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose holds a special place in all our hearts. His courage, discipline, unwavering devotion to India continue to inspire generations. His life reminds us that conviction must be supported by action, and that no great purpose can be achieved without courage and sacrifice. But the Independence Day is not just a day to remember the past. It is also a day for us to look into the future. And my dear students, have you ever asked yourselves, what does independence mean to me? I'm sure all of you have. For you, freedom is the opportunity to learn, to ask questions, to pursue your ambitions, and to dream to be the person that you wish to become. But every freedom carries responsibilities. The responsibility to use it wisely. The India of tomorrow is not being built in the parliaments, the government offices, the laboratories, or the military establishments. The India of tomorrow is being built in the classrooms, including your classroom. Every lesson you learn shapes your mind. Every good habit shapes your character. And every honest decision shapes the citizen that you will become. Education is not merely about marks or qualifications. True education teaches us how to think, how to distinguish right from wrong, and how to use our knowledge for the larger purpose. Knowledge may help you achieve success, but character will determine what you do with that success. You are growing up in an age of extraordinary technological change. Remember, technology can provide you with information, with answers to your questions, but it cannot decide right from wrong. It cannot decide what is just, and it definitely cannot decide what is worth standing up for. Those decisions must come from your values, your conscience, and your character. As you engage with the wider world, remain open to new ideas. Learn from the best that every culture has to offer, but remain firmly grounded to your own roots. India today is rising with confidence and earning greater respect across the Comity of Nations. That rise must be accompanied by cultural self-confidence, a pride in our history, our legacy, our languages, our traditions, our values, and our national identity. We must be modern in our outlook, global in our abilities, unmistakably Indian in our character, and uncompromising in our pursuit for excellence. India needs young people who are capable yet compassionate, ambitious but ethical, confident but respectful. And the values that you learn today here at Rupi Park Public School will shape not only what you achieve, but also the kind of citizens and human beings that you will become. So today, I would like to leave each of you with 3 simple challenges. Have the courage to speak the truth. Have the compassion to include someone who feels left out. And have the discipline to do every task better than you did yesterday. These may appear to be small actions, but remember, the small actions of citizens is what builds a great country. Patriotism is not expressed through speeches, slogans, or ceremonies. It is reflected in how honestly we perform our duties, how respectfully we treat others, and whether we have the courage to stand up for what we feel is right. So before I leave this hall today, I would like each of you to ask yourselves one simple question. What is it that I can do better for my family, for my school, for my country? You need not wait till you are adults to make a difference. You can begin today. Dear students, our freedom fighters gave us an independent India. What India becomes increasingly will be determined by your character, your courage, and your conviction. So, whenever you look at the tricolor, do not only see the freedom that we have inherited. See also the responsibility entrusted with us to preserve India's unity, uphold her dignity, and leave behind a nation that is stronger and better than the one that we did receive. At the dawn of independence, India woke to life and freedom. Today, it is for us and for your generation to ensure that India continues to rise, confident in her values, united in her diversity, and fearless in her pursuit for excellence. Dream for yourselves, but also dream for India. Succeed for yourselves, but also serve India. And wherever life takes you, keep your country in your conduct and the tricolor in your heart. Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your sagacious words that have truly inspired one and all.
That brings us to the end of this splendid program. First and foremost, we extend our sincere thanks to our honorable chief guest for the day, Colonel Shri Nikhil Zope, for gracing us with his esteemed presence. A warm thank you to our president and chairman, sir, Shri Alok Tibrewal and Srimati Usha Tibrewal, ma'am, for being with us today and adding grace to this special occasion. We are thankful to all our esteemed dignitaries. We are profoundly grateful to our respected principal, ma'am, Srimati Moushumi Mohapatra, for her inspiring leadership that always motivates us to excel. Heartfelt gratitude to you, dear parents, for your unwavering faith in us. Thank you for your presence.
Special thanks is due to our dedicated teachers and the administrative staff who work tirelessly behind the scenes. We express our heartfelt appreciation to our support staff, the true unsung heroes, whose efforts make such events seamless and successful. A round of applause for all the students of the Ruby Park Public School family whose talent, teamwork, and spirit lit up the stage today. And finally, a big thank you to every visible and invisible hand who contributed to today's glorious celebration. Your commitment and dedication have truly made this event a success. I now request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindh Himachal Jamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga Tav Shubh Name Jage Tav Shubh Ashish Mage Gahe Tav Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangaldayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya Jaya